My people on a welcome. In fact, things they really happen. The kind marriages where they now, it be like say they just dey on different level. Because the kind things where people they see for marriage and not even sure say our forefathers, they see reach all this kind level. Now on top of TVC news, these people come outside. They ask married couples, say, may they come outside, come talk about their marriage. Things where be say they don't use their eyes see inside. Now there one woman come outside, come give us the shocker of life. Say she marry her high school sweetheart to thinking say this man na God sent. This man na be the love of her life, only for her to come realize say this man na gay. Una know wetin they talk now. Man when they chop man, na so this one be. Now there's and her mind no even go there. Because she really say, na inside church I meet this guy. This guy now person will be say any church activity, brother dey for front. Prayer na him dey just bobo, scary na him dey talk and pass. Now there she reason say okay, fine and good. This is my soulmate. Only for her now, after 3 years of marriage, with 2 children, and there she conscience say, this organ no prefer women. Now man to man, now this man what? My people beg, they can follow me watch.
Calling today, I've tried calling yesterday concerning the gay issue. I'm in the same situation. That's why I'm calling you today. I don't know how to reach you offline because I actually got married 2017. I met my husband in church. I never knew what he did. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I met him in church. I never knew it was a gay. So, 3 years after our marriage, I find out he's a gay. And I confronted him at first. And he promised to change. I never knew he was just playing me around. So, after like 2 weeks, I asked him again. He said we're going to see a pastor or a counselor. And he said if I ever mention that thing in this house again, that he will deal with me. So that's how I've been battling with him over a year now. I've evolved. I called so many counselors. They tell, the only thing they are telling me is I have to take my decision. And I already have 2 kids. Now, I have involved his family, my family. I left the house 2 weeks ago to my brother's place. At Murayo, I got there. They don't force me to come back again. Let me go and work on it. But I'm not ready to work now.
Now wow. On a sure say before person go start today, una no go start to investigate on a partner nyash. Because the kind things where they happen, una suppose they proper care. In fact, more than careful. Check and well before you go enter your head inside anything. But this one, funny enough, this kind thing they very, very common inside Lagos and Abuja especially. So many men now so they be. But they hide this thing on their code. Their wife said they help them hide them. Because they don't want to bring out these people to shame. Me the reason I say last, it be like say last, government go just accept these people. Make we truly know people will be real men and people will not be man. Make person no go they fall victim for all these kind of things. Because now you go the reason say, you don't meet person. You know go say this person you even love and even know behind a love, I mean a lost I go call. Because you will be saying, man, you get interest. What it make you they follow woman in the first place? But at least if they make this thing official, at least I know say men go come outside. They go get the film to come outside. Say, oh, now like this I be, now like this I day. They don't go they hide anything again. They go feel open their mouth, talk them. Because this one, they give ladies unnecessary broken hearts. In which you know say you know like this one. But this one where this woman talk, he pay me for her. Because now when she come the real, what you won't come do about her? Now to leave the man, I mean not to follow him. But me, I go advise you, auntie, no matter the amount of prayer, where you go, if you like, carry this man, go for deliverance. I swear, nothing will happen. As him be, now so him don't decide, say, now so him won't be. So I beg you, stop to the waste your money, say they go counselor, make counselor for no talk. Nothing will change. That money where they waste total, just carry on. Invest on your children and yourself. And I go advise you, just leave this, as you talk, say you don't leave, just leave for good. Because nothing will go feed you. Because this man ain't knowing decision. I don't know where some of these people they marry, say because of shame. Many people look on the reason say they be gay. But even if you go abroad, go they do your thing. No come inside Nigeria where you know say they never accept them fully. Because all of us know say these people they. But me now these children are repeat. I want to explain to your children say, now what your papa do? Your papa go chop another man. Now wait to make me come live. You know men at all now. You don't even make sense. So you guys I beg. If you know something like this, you be I beg just day your day. Focus on your man. Make the woman say focus on another person. And later on they claim say to find better man na inside church. And they say inside the church now they don't see this one so. I know they curse anybody, I know they even insult anybody's sexuality. But me they talk and say if you know something like this you won't do. Do them in the plane. First the person make we know. No be say you go dey hide everything. They do things corner. Later, you go come dey realize say na like this you be. It better say you talk am out, or you better say, no even marry. No marry. Make we know say, okay, bros, you dey hide this thing. Because this one wey they, in fact, me to me, they don't damage this lady heart. How she want to trust another man again? Thinking say this one self no go end up be gay. But anyway, now on a family matter. Anything wanna get about this one, make una write am inside the comment section. Make una stay tuned for the next video.